Hi everyone, this is to show you how to use my accounting metrics spreadsheet that I listed for sale on my Etsy page. This is supposed to be a simple 12-week capture of your finances in your business, just to help you get a better grasp on where all of these items stand. This is intended to be simple. This is not intended to be complicated. I like to simplify things to make sure that they're bite-sized and digestible for the average business owner. So you're going to start by entering the start date of this period. So right now there's no start date, so it starts on January 6th. But say you want to start today's date, which is, let's just say it's May 23rd. This will auto-populate for the next 12 weeks. So you're going to run all these reports in your software that you use for accounting. So your AR should be able to be broken up between your 30 to 90, and then anything over 90. And what you really want to know is how this is changing over time. So if you have $50,000 that's sitting in your current AR on May 30th and $20,000 that's sitting in your 30 to 90 day AR, hopefully you only have $5,000 sitting in your over 90. You want to track how this is going to change over time. Anything that's over 90, obviously you want to get and try to collect as soon as possible, because that's coming, to the end of your cycle of being able to collect. You want to drive this number down and kind of hyper focus on this. Make sure there's no liabilities that you need to assess, but you want to track this over time to see how these numbers are fluctuating. Anything that's in white will calculate the totals that are in gray, or just has another calculation tied to it. Anything that's gray is a data entry point. So this is your AR report, and we typically do this on the day ending. Like when you run your report, you do 7 days with this date end of May 30th. So then you want to run a collections report for the past 7 days. You can run this just as income by customer, or just a collections over the past 7 days, depending on your accounting software. So let's say we collected $20,000 over the past 7 days. And these numbers drill downward into these calculations on the bottom here. So this calculation calculates the revenue that you earned over the past 4 weeks. So it's just the sum of the past 3 columns plus what's in your current column. So you're going to see it takes about 4 weeks for this to be accurate. And then it also takes 4 weeks for your days of your services outstanding to fully calculate, because you need that full 30-day period of data in order for this number to be updated. So days services outstanding based on these numbers is 30 days. It takes basically 30 days for this amount of cash, $20,000, to cycle through this business, which has a total AR of $75,000. Obviously, as these numbers change, these numbers will change as well. But this is just a good rule of thumb and something for you to be tracking regularly, week over week. Then down on the bottom, we just have simple payroll total. So this would be like your total payroll for your week. Let's say my payroll was $13,000, and that contributed to 400 man hours. Hopefully we had no overtime, and my head count was 10 people. And these numbers are just good to track over time so that you can see what kind of production. You can track like production, how many labor's hours it took for you to collect this amount of money or to bill a certain amount of dollars. So this is just a simple start for your finance metrics, but it's a really good tool to start really seeing where you're at from a business perspective and tracking your cash. If you want more information, go to my Etsy page. I sell this for $3.50. I hope that this helped. Thank you.